Hello, hi, this is Ismail Dabo, e-learning manager at East Riding College, and I'm going to show you Forms, a Microsoft Office 365 package solution to create quick questionnaires and surveys. So let's go into it. I've got Chrome open, Chrome browser, and the first thing that you'll have to do is go at the top where it says new browser and type in forms and type dot office.com. As easy as that, and you type enter. You'll begin within this page. You concentrate on the top right and click sign in. On here, you'll have to place your username. So mine is Ismail D1154, and you carry on with the rest as an email address. So at East Riding college.ac.uk. You type in your normal password. Mine is a bit lengthy, but bear with me. And then I don't want to save my password within this browser, and then I don't want to stay signed in. So you'll come to this page. I've got several forms and surveys and questionnaires that I've created. Yours will be probably blank, but you'll have new form and new quiz here. Click on new forms, and that's as easy as that. You can create a questionnaire. So we'll create one, and I'll take you through all the different options and questions. So I'll do test one. So this is for the title. You can place your description here. Then you can straight from here you can place an image or a video within the questionnaire. So let's click back again. So the title here, I've got a little icon to insert an image, and here I can search any image I want. So I'll just search an image on test. Click the search bar, and yeah, I quite like that. You select it, or maybe this, and add. So that will be added straight from on your form. The interesting part is obviously the questions. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different type of questions that you might enter, or that you might want your audience to respond with. So you've got choice, and that's a series of choice compared to your questions. Yes, no, it could be yes, no, or other type of options. So let's see. Like that. You can click on add all, yes, no, maybe. Here you've got at the bottom here, you've got multiple answers. So that allows the person answering your question to have numerous choice. So this instance, it could be yes, no, maybe, that person will be selecting. Then if the question is required, so they cannot get out of that questionnaire unless they answer it. And that's the toggles here that you need to click on and back and forth. 3 dots here allow you to place another subtitle. So let's click on that. Let's see. Yeah, just like that. If I want to get rid of it, I can just click on the 3 dots and click back on that. Shuffle options. So this is an option that allows you, let's say you have tutors or students, or probably students, and you don't want them to copy each other on the question. So the order of the yes, no, maybe will change depending on who has the question. But yeah, that's it. And then yeah, those options here at the top allows you to copy the question. So I can copy it as much as I can by clicking this option. Then you can see now I've got 1 and 2. Those two questions are copied and duplicated. So I can change the question here. Don't know. Like that. And then do another search for a picture to add. And you've got the idea. Let's move on to another type of question. So probably those are self-explanatory. I mean, the text is for the user or the participant of this form to enter text. The rating is rating, so it's let's actually see it. So I leave it as question. The different options here that are interesting is here we've got the label, so you'll see what it does. Good, excellent, just like that, and that would be the label. At any given point in time, you can preview it. So I can preview how it looks like, and then I can see it on the mobile format as well, how it will look like, and then I can go back and forth, and it auto saves as well. Yeah, that one is quite interesting to like it. So it is a statement and different options, and you can leave that as a default, but yeah, add a statement here, and then a subtitle that you can place as well. Yeah. I mean, you've got the general idea, and I think this could be good not only for you as a tutor, but or staff, but for your students as well, if they have a global survey that they want to collect data from. Talking about the data, where do you get that? So within the second tab called responses, and you'll have the result showing, and you can open those results in Excel. The way you proceed on sharing this with your participant is by clicking the big button called share. You'll have several options. You can place a QR code, you can embed it, or you can send it straight into email. And then you have an option about who has access to that questionnaire, if it's only people within your organization, or if it's anyone that has that link that can answer it. So beyond the scope of the college and outside, you can share it as a template, so you can give that out to maybe a colleague or somebody else, and they would be able to duplicate that form that we've just created. You can share and collaborate, so if you want to share your document with anyone, you can, or only people within your organization, you can as well. So you select that, the link here below will change. So you copy it by clicking the big button copy, and then you can send it on an email or share it on a website such as Moodle. And that's that really. Let's change that picture because, or let's have a look what's going on here. Oh yeah, you can change the theme. Let's change the theme here, and so one thing you can do as well is change the theme. So you go at the top right, and you click the button, and then you have different themes that you can select. You can even select a picture if you wanted to, and then you click on the different things. So here I will select that. It's purple, it's nice. This picture is not loading properly. Let's try and preview it. Doesn't really matter. The form is more or less ready, and then yeah, it's saving. Let's refresh it and see what happens. Yeah, the picture has not been loaded, the one on the top for test 1. Let's try it again. Yeah, that looks good. You can edit the picture here by clicking the plus or minus sign, and you should be able to move things. Or you can delete it completely or add some alternative text to it, but let's delete it. I think that's best. But yeah, this is a short overview of forms. Please contact us on e-learning@eastridingcollege.ac.uk if you want further information or a one-to-one session or a group session. Thank you.